Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived three siblings named Ali, Araf, and Adam. They were known throughout the town for their honesty and integrity, as they had never told a lie in their lives. Their mother, who was a kind and loving woman, had instilled in them from a young age the importance of always telling the truth, no matter what. One sunny afternoon, the three siblings were playing in their backyard when they heard a loud commotion coming from the street. Curious, they ran to investigate and found a group of children taunting and teasing a stray dog that had wandered into the neighborhood. The dog looked scared and helpless, and the siblings were filled with compassion for the poor animal. Without hesitation, Ali, the eldest of the siblings, stepped forward and spoke to the other children. "We should help this dog, not hurt it," she said firmly. Araf and Adam nodded in agreement, and together they approached the dog and gently led it away from the group of children. They brought it some food and water, and soon the dog was wagging its tail and licking their hands in gratitude. The children were amazed at how quickly the dog had warmed up to them, and they realized that kindness and honesty truly were the best ways to solve any problem. From that day on, they made a pact to always be truthful and kind in everything they did. One day, a new family moved into the neighborhood, and the siblings were excited to meet their new neighbors. However, when they introduced themselves, they noticed that the new family seemed unfriendly and closed off. The siblings were puzzled by this behavior, but they decided to give the new family the benefit of the doubt. As they got to know the family better, they discovered that they were going through a difficult time and were hesitant to trust others. The siblings realized that they needed to be patient and understanding, and they made an effort to show the new family kindness and compassion. Over time, the new family began to open up, and a friendship blossomed between them. Through their honesty and integrity, the siblings had shown the new family that they could be trusted and relied upon. They had proven that a little kindness and understanding go a long way in building strong and lasting relationships. As the siblings grew older, they faced many challenges and obstacles, but they always stayed true to their principles of honesty and integrity. They never wavered in their commitment to always tell the truth, no matter how difficult it may be. Their mother was proud of the kind and compassionate individuals they had become, and she knew that they would go on to do great things in the world. And so, Ali, Araf, and Adam continued to live their lives with honesty and integrity, inspiring others to do the same. They became known as the children who never told a lie, and their story was passed down through the generations as a shining example of the power of truth and kindness.